Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin D spray. This convenient method offers a simple way to supplement your daily vitamin D intake. Proper application is key to ensuring maximum absorption and effectiveness, helping your body utilize this essential nutrient. It's an excellent alternative for those who prefer not to swallow capsules or tablets, making your daily routine much easier and more enjoyable. Before you begin, it's important to prepare your vitamin D spray properly. First, gently shake the bottle for a few seconds to ensure the contents are well mixed. Next, make sure your mouth is clean and clear of any food or beverages, as this helps with optimal absorption. Finally, quickly check the spray nozzle to confirm it is unobstructed and ready for use, ensuring a smooth application. Now, let's go over the correct spraying technique for your vitamin D. Carefully aim the nozzle directly under your tongue. This area is rich in blood vessels, allowing for excellent sublingual absorption. Administer the recommended number of sprays, which is typically 1 or 2, as indicated on your product. After spraying, hold the liquid under your tongue for at least 30 seconds before swallowing to maximize absorption. After applying your vitamin D spray, there are a couple of important steps to follow. Try to avoid eating or drinking for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow for full absorption. For storage, keep your vitamin D spray in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency. Always store the bottle upright to prevent any potential leakage or issues with the nozzle, ensuring it's ready for your next use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.